that's an 8-blade head?
That's 16, I think.
Oh, wow.
Or is it 15? No, it has to be even, so it must be 16.
16 row.
Let's go. Here's Carl, a hard-working North Carolinian.
So do you kind of, like, you get up here, and then do you go on then?
Ooh, baby. But he's throwing it in us right now. Look at that. Look at that head going. Wow, look at that. Thing is just chewing up that corn. Wow. And that's what it looks like. See that thing chopping it up, man. That thing is just sucking it up right there. Look at it going in the middle. Keeps moving it forward, it just pushes it out. Keeps pushing it out. So cool. Everything's so automated now, it's too funny. This is the pile that they're working on. These guys shove it around and pack it down. And that's what they're trying to do, is pack it down so it doesn't ferment, so they can feed it to the cattle, which we can't really see right now. Field or towards me. You see the other guys behind him. Yeah, we're literally sitting here waiting. So we stage up here. There's corn down this way, and the chopper guys are running down that way. They're running down through there. So then we normally follow behind him or beside him, and we do this, and then we take off. But for some reason today, they have us doing it this way. Ooh, the monster arrives. Here at the dairy, the silage gets all piled up, and they push it up into this big pile. These big dozer things here.
Police monitor coming towards you. Heads up.
This thing is about 27 feet tall now. And apparently when they get it all done, it's going to be about 35 feet tall.
Be good, boys. We'll just take this little chunk out of here.
Now we're going to try to pull the truck out that's got his tail in the ditch. Oh, as he pulls, it just keeps going deeper into the ditch. Here it goes. Keep going. Keep
trucks
going.
that are sitting on
Keep
19,
going.
why don't you go back into
Got him.
the field you just come out of
Yeehaw!
and